Hello, hi, this is Jackie. Welcome to our channel.
So at Woolbuddy, we are focusing on needle felting and tutorial and teach you how to make them. Alright, so before we started, let's talk about some books and what's my favorite artists. They are very special for the Halloween. One of my favorite is Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas.
A lot of our design inspired by his design, so I really like this book. And another artist is Chris Grimley. Chris Grimley is also a very cool artist. I love his work. So today we are going to work on the bat. Here, if you see. So let's get started. Let's kind of have a quick drawing. So let's create the basics. So usually we do, so we make the head. So the bat has an ear, eyes, little mouth. So the body, we might want to make it like a smaller body, and then the wings. Now we have this version of the wings. So it has this line, and then this, and then 1, 2, 3, right? So or do it again. This, and then this, and this. Something like that. Okay. So first we want to make the head. So you want to roll the material, and then use the felting needle. Just poke the fiber. If you poke too fast, so it's too easy to break your needle, and it won't help. So here I'm using the single needle, and also you can upgrade to the multi-needle tool. So like this one is clover, so this is a pink needle. It's really handy, really useful. Okay, so I like the size of the head right now. So now we can start making the body. So the same thing, you want to roll this, and you can twist this, and then just poke the fiber down. So remember to work on the felting mat. So you need a soft cushion to let your needle poke through. And we have this wool mat. It's really handy. I need to add more because this part is to connect the body, but this is too small. I don't have enough material, so I adding a little more. So you can see I just attach this fluff here, and then this is good, and then I can separate them, make it flat, and then I can start put it on top, and then connect. So I kind of want the body put aside a little bit, so it's not right in the middle. So I kind of want to try the different shapes. So when you poke those connect together, you want your first couple poking is deeper, so it carries the material all the way in, and then you can give it a lighter poke to maintaining the shape. Okay, so now I have this little the body connects to the head, and then I can start making the ears. So the ear is two little triangles. I want to fold this into the triangle first, and then put on the mat, and then just poke the fiber. Remember, because this is it's a flat piece, so you don't want to poke it too deep because it will fall into your mat. And remember to flip and then poke it again. I think I have the one I like, and then remember to separate the base. I think the size is good, but then before I connect, I make another one first. So that way I can compare them and make sure they are in similar size. And then poke the fiber. So as you can see, there's a little bit of extra fluff. So easier way is to trim it, but be very careful, don't cut it in. So you just trim the extra. Alright, and then I can separate the base, and then I can put this on top. Right, so put one, and then let's put the second one. Okay, so we have this, and then we can start making the feature for the face. Okay, I want to cut a line here so that I can put the mouth and the teeth there. So I just really gentle push a line here, so the bottom part will be deeper, and then I can add a little more for the top part, so then we can really see the separation for this two part, because it's all black. It's a little bit hard to see. Okay, now just put the teeth. So the teeth is very small, so I want to use a smaller needle, and then use your hand to draw the small triangle, and then poke the fiber down. You can make it very pointy. Okay, so let's make another one. The same process. Okay, so now I have a very nice two little teeth, and then so let's put a little pig nose there. Okay, so that, and then I want to use a darker brown. And another, because it's very small, so I'm not leaving my finger, and I poke very light. Okay, so I have this the face. Now we can make a wings. So I like to make the major first, the key shape first. The bat wing is very similar to the dragon. And remember to flip. Make sure this is right. So now I have this little tiny wings, and also there's a lot of fluff because it's too small, then I can just cut it. Okay, so we can do one side like that, right? So, and then the other side we can do a little different. A lot of time they are just, you know, open two sides, right? But what we can do is we can one side open and one side closed. but make sure when you work, you flip. Okay, so I think that should be it. Don't forget this, it also has this little triangle too. And then here, so this part is to connect to the back, the previous one, right? So it has that. And then this part, I kind of want to cover the body, connect, and then I can wrap this, move to the front. So make sure it connects properly. So either you can make like this, so two wings open up, or I kind of like this one too, so this is going forward. Alright, so now we have the body, the head almost done, and then now we do the final. So let's put a little eye. And you can see I keep using my hand to roll it. And then place this to the right position. And then poke the fiber in. Okay, see? Got one down, and then the other one is further apart and also bigger. So I want to put this here. Okay, so it's almost there, so make sure it's nice and tight. So now I have this two eyeballs. Now we need to put the pupil. So the pupil is the normal, and then alright, so now we have this little bat. And this wing, you can open it up or you can close it.